Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically match beat automatically on CapCut. So I'm just going to select this video here. I'm going to just unmute it. I'm going to select the video and I'm going to select extract audio. Select the audio and you're just going to simply select the beats right here, select it, and you're just going to select auto generate and it's going to match the beat automatically. So you can adjust if you want the beats to be slow, like medium I guess, and like fast. Okay, maybe like the normal speed is this one, or you want the fast speed. Once you have selected the beat, just press the check mark button. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!